And action.
And today my name is Will Martin, and today we have some barbecue spices.
Okay.
And look at all these varieties.
Varieties. Nice word. Tell us what we got and what we're going to put it on today, William. Be quick.
We have
Remember,
Hawaii.
this is the internet. People move fast.
Barbecue sauce, Hawaii.
Okay, Hawaiian barbecue
smoky.
sauce. Sweet and smoky, he says.
Barbecue sauce, Memphis style. Sweet and spicy, 100% natural.
Ooh, 100% natural. What state is Memphis in, by the way?
It is not. It's in 2 states. What?
It is in 2 states, actually. How'd you know that?
Oklahoma and Tennessee.
Not Oklahoma and Tennessee.
Arkansas, Tennessee.
Very good. Now go on to the next one, Will. Nicely done.
We have Kansas City sweet and smoky again.
Also in 2 states, right? What states are those? Let William answer.
That is Missouri and Kansas.
Nicely done. Okay.
And Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a state or is that a...
Well, there's 2 states named Carolina. There's a lot going on with this barbecue.
North Carolina and South Carolina.
Good job. You guys are pretty smart little dudes. More importantly, your barbecue
You already put one? Which one is this?
aficionados. I don't know. It's a mystery flavor. Why don't you tell me? Why don't you dip it in and try?
One more.
I think it's Hawaiian, but I'm not sure.
I'm probably thinking that it's going to be Kansas City.
You think it's Kansas City?
Just because of the color of
Yeah, it is Kansas City. Just because of the color? Nicely done.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want some Kansas City and Hawaiian, right?
No, we already have Kansas City. We
That's
just
what I'm
need-
saying. You want some Hawaiian there?
This is my dad's. This is because I do not like tangy.
Oh, I like that. I like that Carolina tangy vinegar, don't I?
I like the
Mm-hmm.
the Hawaii. It's because I do like vinegar. Florida.
Oh, because what do you mean, tropical?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we have there's
I don't want any more. Hey, bro, I don't need any, bro. I already ate a whole piece of chicken. I'm good. I'm good. No, don't waste the Carolina. Ain't nobody else gonna eat except for me. Thank you. No, I don't need the Memphis either, unless you want it.
I want the camera.
Hey, what is it?
How the camera?
No, look at them fingers. You can hold on with me. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay, that's plenty. Okay. All right. So now do the taste test. You can do a taste test. Jay, you can be in this video.
What's this one?
Huh?
What's this one?
You tell me. It's a mystery.
That's the Kansas.
Kansas City. Hey, that's enough. No, head country too. Hey, come on. What are you trying to do? Get every barbecue sauce in the county? You love it, don't you? Walmart sack.
That's one good. Walmart sack. I know that's Hawaiian.
That's Hawaiian?
Yeah.
Put the cat down, Dylan, around my the chicken. All right.
That texture though. Okay, this is Hawaii. I just dipped it in Kansas City. What's this one? Carolina?
No, I don't think we did any Carolina today. That's probably Memphis.
Guys can't. Yeah. Memphis?
Probably.
Is that Memphis?
Spicy. It's supposed to be sweet and spicy.
This one's really good, but this one's kind of spicy. But this one,
That's Hawaiian.
no.
What about you, Jay? Tell us about that Memphis. Tell us about the flavor. What's it taste like?
Tastes like chili.
Mm-hmm. Like what? William, that's enough. That's plenty. Whoa.
I just wanted more spicy.
All right. Oh, don't forget to shout out to who cooked the chicken. You got to do a chicken review too. Why you eat with that?
Gavin, and Brad Lowe.
Yeah.
Look at the smoker. We just got it.
Did they do a good job?
Yeah, they're really good job.
Pretty tasty, huh? All right. So if you had to give an honest review on a scale of 1 to 10, what's that? The Memphis? You're a little afraid, huh?
That probably gets like a. That's good.
Hold on. Okay, he's gonna point and give his ratings here.
Probably like a 7.
You can.
And the only reason why I didn't give it a 10, no, like an 8, because the only reason I didn't give it a 10 on the
What, the barbecue sauce on the Memphis? Sure.
Because the chili kind of reminded me of that,
The
like
spicy mean.
the spice.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of tastes like some chili.
I had a chili flavor to it, did it? All right, Will, what was your favorite out of all of them? Kansas City or Hawaii then, Jay?
Hawaii. I definitely like Kansas City more.
Kansas City?
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
And this is actually, I'm gonna give them ratings. This is like 8 out of 10. It's because like it's tangy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I like it. It's sweet and smoky.
Mm-hmm. I think you could be on QVC. That's what I always wanted to do for a living, is be on QVC.
I wash my hands. Now it sounds good.
Okay. You can hold it. Don't hit that button. Don't hit any of those buttons because they'll turn it off. Okay.
Right now,
There you go.
my brother's here. But that's because I don't like it because
Don't shake it around too much.
I swallow it, but
that's what I have a problem with.
but like the sauce is like on the top of my tongue, like on the top of right here.
All right, here, get on. Here, William,
And the other one says the Hawaii is awesome. 10 out of 10.
hold it still and just point it at his face. There you go. Now, all right, don't forget to sign off. It's time to sign off.
Bruh.
Don't forget all your thanks.
Wait, I have one more.
Okay.
Bruh. 6 out of 10.
What?
Hawaii. I mean Memphis. Bruh.
Bruh. 6 out of 10 on the Memphis.
I haven't tried it like on the camera.
Mm-hmm. You think it's really giving a fair flavor test?
Yeah, probably.
If you close your nose?
It goes spike. Wait.
Hey, you're not filming, Jake. You're going here. I'll do it.
No, I got it. I still got it.
Okay. I want to get it. Just try to
When
help
I close my nose,
Yeah.
it just like.
Then you don't have to taste it.
Oh.
The nose.
Now sign off.
Most of taste is smell. Strangely, I know.
Bye and see y'all next time.
What was the name of your show?
It is
Barbecue with Will and Jay. It's barbecue with Will and Jay. We eat barbecue every day. It's barbecue with Will and Jay.
Okay. Behind the scenes.
Hit stop.
Behind the scenes. That's behind the scenes, boys. Peace out and slice it with your knife all open.
Hit stop.
That like button, boys. And slice that like with all your knives.